Hi there, Hector here, the Assistant Operations Manager here at United Food Truck. I'm going to go ahead and show you this new container that we have. So we're going to start right over here, right? This is going to be our plumbing system that we have. We're going to have a mop sink right over here, and then we're going to have a full 3 compartment with the hand wash sink. If you take a look right over here, you're going to find the full plumbing system done inside of the trailer. As you can see, we have an electric water heater right over here. That's the only thing that's in here for right now, due to the fact that all the water is going to come external. If you take a look right down here, you're going to see that we have hose fabricated right into the bottom of the unit. This is going to allow plumbing to be done from the exterior and connect over to the trailer itself. Following the plumbing system, we're going to go ahead and find full work tables and shelving. We're going to go ahead and have another hand wash sink, more work tables here, and this is actually an under-counter refrigeration unit, allowing you to store all your refrigeration needs right down here. More towards the back, you're gonna find a 36,000 BTU air system. State-of-the-art. This is gonna freeze the entirety of the container for you. So for the kitchen of the unit, starting right over here, you're gonna have the 6 burner. Full 6 burner of the unit. Right under, you're gonna have a chef base. This is going to keep all your goods refrigerated and at a hand's reach. The 6 burner also includes a grease guard right over here. After that, we have the griddle. Full 36, again with a grease chop and another chef base. Following that, we're going to have a full convection oven. This is double convection oven right over here. And then you also have your 50-gallon fryer right over here. If you open up right over, you're gonna see that it includes a grease trap right over here that releases all the grease that's trapped inside of the unit. Additionally, we're gonna have a full hood right on top of your entirety of the kitchen. The hood itself is completely removable for easy cleaning. And they'll have the grease trap right here at the bottom, allows all the grease to flow and come right over here for easy cleaning. If you look right over here, this is going to be the manual switch for the fire suppression. So activate it, go ahead and pull this. Very careful. The last thing you want to do is pull this when you don't have an emergency. If we look down below of the kitchen, you're going to find our full gas lines. As you can see, each gas line is connected to a certain appliance. The gas lines go left to right in order of appliance. So the furthest left would be right over here. Okay? Additionally, if you come over here and take a quick look, you're going to find a little box right over here on this area. This is going to be part of the automated service that the fire suppression offers. In case of a fire, this is what's going to go ahead and automatically turn off all the gas being inserted into the container. As you guys can see, that monster over there is not the only AC that we have installed. We have installed additional ACs all over the top to ensure that you get the maximum amount of air. Prior to turning in the project, we're going to go ahead and mark what each one of these switches does. It's going to be right over here on top. So you can see this is a big project, so it has a lot of electrical detail. So now we're here on the outside of the unit. As you can see, right over here is going to be the water intake. This is going to allow you to pour water straight into the container itself. You have a water drain right over here on this side. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys. Again, this has been Hector from United Food Truck. And remember, follow us on social media for more content just like this.